Today we start the next topic, method of calculating interest on drawing. In this we are divided the interest on drawing in several cases. So first case is case A, simple method. In case A there are two methods. The first is the simple method and other is a drawing method. While in a simple method, interest on drawing is calculated every transaction of drawing separately calculate the interest on drawing. How much the number of different interval the amount is withdrawn, so every time the amount of drawing is to be charged separately, we calculate the interest. That's why it is known as a simple method of calculating interest on drawing. In this, the first method is simple method. The formula to calculate the interest is drawing into rate upon 100 into months upon 12. Months means the remaining month from 1st April to 31st March. For this we have to take the example of the book D.K. Goyal, question number 25A. The first date of drawing is April 30. On this date the amount is withdrawn 8,000. This 8,000 is withdrawn. This 8,000 is withdrawn on 30th April. From 30th April month is not count. If the amount is withdrawn at the first day of the month, then the month is calculated. If the amount is withdrawn at the last day of the month, that month is not be calculated. So from 30th April is not counted. So May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So 11 months are there. So 11 by 12, 9 by 100, interest is calculated 660. On next amount is withdrawn on 30 June. So after July, this is the last day of the month. So from the starting the next month, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So 9 months are there and the rate of interest is 9%. So total interest on drawing is 405. Third amount is withdrawn on 30 April. So September, after September, October, November, December, January, February, March. 6 months are there. So time is 6 by 12. Rate of interest is 9 by 100. So interest on drawing is 225. Next amount is withdrawn on 31st December. So after 31st December, January, February, March. 3 months are there, so 3 by 12 is there. And next amount is withdrawn on 31st January. So after January, February and March, 2 months are left. So interest is to be calculated for 2 months and rate of interest is 9 by 100. Interest is 150. So all the separate interests are to be added. So the total interest charged on different drawing amount by individual people is 1710. That's why it is known as a simple method of calculating interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is calculated only when it can be specified in the question. Otherwise, interest on drawing is not be calculated. Okay. After that, the next method is to be after that.